वेलकम टू आईआईटी केमिस्ट्री शिक्षा बाय रश्मि। आप सोच रहे होगे मैम इतना स्वैग क्यों मार रही है? अरे स्वैग नहीं मार रही, बस ये वर्ड्स थोड़े से दिखाई नहीं देते तो इसलिए बस दिखा रही हूँ। एनीवेज guys, even today it happens with me whenever I appear for an exam, for any interview, while attempting objective questions. Sometimes I feel confused or may not be confident about a formula. ऐसा सिचुएशन होता है कि यार प्लस था या माइनस था, स्क्वायर था या क्यूब था. I think it happens with you guys also. So here I am presenting yet another interesting short trick to remember density of a cubic crystal from its edge. So without any delay, let's get started. So formula to remember density of a cubic crystal is rho is equal to Zm upon Na into A cube, where Z is the number of atoms per unit cell, M is the molecular mass, Na is the Avogadro's number, and A is the edge length, which should be in picometers. But if the density is given in gram per centimeter cube, then you have to convert these picometers in centimeter. Hoping it is clear to you. So mnemonic to remember this formula is Zara met Nancy at 3 p.m. I repeat, Zara met Nancy at 3 p.m. where Z is from Zara, M is from molecular mass, which is from met, Na Avogadro's number, which is from Nancy, A from at, and this power 3, which is from 3 p.m. Isn't it easy? So density is calculated by this formula. Now we are going to solve some questions from previous year JEE or NEET to have more clarity about this concept. So let's get started. So the question on your screen is, you have been given a face-centered cubic crystal whose density is known to us, which is 8 gram per centimeter cube. Its edge length is given to us, which is 400 picometers, and I already told you, and if the density is given in gram per centimeter cube, then definitely you have to convert these picometers in centimeters. So it comes out to be 400 into 10 to the power minus 12 meters, and to convert in centimeter you have to multiply by 10 to the power 2. So it comes out to be 400 into 10 to the power minus 10 centimeters. Fine. Now you have to calculate the number of atoms present in 256 gram of the solid, which is n into 10 to the power 24, and you have to calculate this value of n. So it is an integer type question from JEE Mains 2017. So let's start with the solution. So formula to calculate density of a cubic crystal is Zm upon Na into A cube. Fine. Now substituting the values which are already known to us. Value of density, which is 8 gram per centimeter cube. Value of Z for a face-centered cubic crystal is 4, which we already know. Why? Because particles are present at the corners and in the face-centered position. Fine. Value of molecular mass, which we have to calculate. Value of Avogadro's number, which is 6.023 into 10 to the power 23. And value of this edge length, which is 400 into 10 to the power minus 10 centimeter cube. Fine. So reshuffling these values, we will get molecular mass equal to 77.0944 gram per mole. Now we have to simply apply the unitary method to proceed further. Fine. 77.0944 gram of solid has 6.023 into 10 to the power 23 atoms. So 1 gram of solid will have 6.023 into 10 to the power 23 divided by 77.0944 atoms, and 256 gram of solid will have 20 into 10 to the power 23 atoms. But in the question, if you will read carefully, we have been given n into 10 to the power 24 atoms. So we have to calculate this value in the same power. So it will come out to be 2 into 10 to the power 24 atoms. So comparing both the values, we will get n equal to 2, which is the answer for this question. So the next question on your screen is, you have been given a ferrous oxide cubic structure whose density is known to us, which is 4 gram per centimeter cube, and whose edge length is given to us, which is 5 angstrom. Before proceeding further, you have to do first thing, that is to convert these angstrom in centimeters, because density is given in gram per centimeter cube. Fine. So it will be 5 into 10 to the minus 10 meters, and to convert in centimeter we have to multiply by 10 to the power 2. So it comes out to be 5 into 10 to the power minus 8 centimeter. So you have to calculate the number of ferrous ions and oxide ions which are present per unit cell. So let's start the solution. So density of a cubic crystal is given by the formula rho is equal to Zm upon Na into A cube. Value of density is known to us. Value of molecular mass of ferrous oxide, which we have to calculate. For iron it is 56 and for oxygen it is 16. So the total will be 72 grams. Fine. Value of Avogadro number, which is 6.022 into 10 to the power 23, and value of edge length, which is 5 into 10 to the minus 8 centimeter. So reshuffling the values, we will get Z, which is the number of atoms per unit cell, which comes out to be 4.18, which is approximately 4. It means it is a face-centered cubic crystal. It means 4 ferrous ions and 4 oxide ions are present per unit cell. Is it clear to you? So this was all about today's lecture. For such important, interesting short tricks, you had to stay tuned with me, and until we meet again, till then, Namaskar, Sat Sri Akal, Adab.